In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Grammarly AI on Google Docs step by step so you can start using writing suggestions and generative AI inside your documents with ease. This is a simple setup, and once it's done, you'll be able to write faster, clean up your text, and improve your tone without constantly switching tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official Chrome web store. This is the safest place to install Grammarly, and it helps make sure you're getting the real extension instead of a fake or outdated version. Once you're in the web store, use the search bar to look for Grammarly. When you see the official Grammarly extension, click on it to open the install page. Now click Add to Chrome. If your browser uses a different button like Add Extension, that's completely fine too. Just confirm the installation when the pop-up appears. After that, wait a few seconds while the extension installs into your browser. Once it's finished, Grammarly is now added, but we still need to set it up properly before it works in Google Docs. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser and click the puzzle piece icon. This is your extensions menu, and it lets you manage browser add-ons. Find Grammarly in the list, then click the pin icon next to it so it stays visible on your toolbar. Pinning it is helpful because it makes it much easier to access later without digging through the extensions menu again. Now, click the pinned Grammarly icon. When the menu opens, follow the prompts to log into your account. If you already have a Grammarly account, just sign in. If not, you can create a free account in a few moments. This step is important because Grammarly needs to connect to your account before it can work properly in Google Docs. Once you're signed in, open the Grammarly extension settings and make sure the option that says Check for writing suggestions on Google Docs is turned on. This setting is the key to activating Grammarly inside Google Docs. If it's off, Grammarly may not show up the way you expect, so double check this before moving on. Now, open Google Docs and load any document you want to work on. After the page loads, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see the floating Grammarly widget there, usually as a green circle or a green G icon. That's the sign that Grammarly is active in your document. To use Grammarly AI, click the green light bulb or AI chat icon attached to the widget. This opens the generative AI prompt box, which is where the real magic happens. From here, you can type instructions directly into the prompt bar and ask Grammarly to help you draft an outline, rewrite a paragraph, improve grammar, or change the tone of your writing. For example, you could ask it to make your writing more professional, shorten a long paragraph, or turn rough notes into a clean draft. This makes Grammarly AI especially useful for students, bloggers, professionals, and anyone who wants to write faster and more confidently inside Google Docs. If the widget doesn't appear right away, refresh the page once, make sure you're signed in, and confirm the Google Docs suggestion setting is still enabled. In most cases, that's all you need to do to get it working. And that's it. You've successfully activated Grammarly AI on Google Docs. Now you can use the extension to get writing suggestions and generate AI-powered text right inside your documents. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.